Legends of Learning presents the Atom Factory game. This is a science game that makes learning about atoms and elements fun and easy to understand. Learn how to create a molecule with the aid of the information provided from the periodic table. Your aim is to unlock the molecule by building it correctly, and once all molecules are unlocked, you have to join them together to form a compound element. Practice creating the molecular compositions for different molecules. You first need to unlock the right elements to form the molecules for the compound. The compound is formed by linking different molecules together. Use the mouse to click on the elements to rotate them and to join them together to solve the problems. Click and drag and drop the neutrons, protons, and electrons to make an element. There are different levels of difficulty to help you improve your science skills in atoms and elements. Answer questions correctly to progress to higher levels. You'll be challenged with different questions as you progress through the game. Are you ready to accept the challenge? Do you have the right science skills to help you build all the right molecules and compounds?